Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As the blessed month of Ramadan concludes, we from the Dawah Institute Islamic Education Trust extend our heartfelt gratitude to our partners, collaborators, and donors for your invaluable support through time, talent, treasure, or talk. Together, we've touched lives, fostered growth, and spread the light of compassion and understanding. Together, we've embraced the spirit of Ramadan through fasting, prayer, acts of charity, making a significant impact in our communities. As we welcome Eid al-Fitr, let's carry the lessons of Ramadan forward. Let's continue to share our blessings and support each other. May Allah Ta'ala accept our fast and deeds, forgive our shortcomings, and guide us towards continued success and unity. Eid al-Fitr al-Mubarak. We wish you a celebration filled with joy, peace, and togetherness. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.